I received a request today from a county government asking if they could convert my PDF checklist into an Excel spreadsheet checklist. Of course, this is for the web content accessibility guidelines. And I do have an Excel spreadsheet checklist, but to date I haven't made it freely available, but I am now. And so it's on the screen with me. We have the WCAG 2 checklist. And the reason why I say WCAG 2 conformance level AA is because this includes all of the two versions. So you get 2.0, 2.1, and 2.2. All of the success criteria are here. What's especially nice about this checklist is it also includes the roles associated with each success criterion. And so here for 1.1.1, I have developer and content editor. So you get that. You also have a completed column in case you wanted to work from this WCAG checklist. So have we completed this success criterion, yes or no? And then we have action. So what's interesting about the action column is I went ahead and assessed whether or not action was likely for each success criterion, and where it was, I said yes. And then where it wasn't, I said a review. So sometimes for many success criteria, it's not about you don't necessarily have to do anything. You just have to make sure that you're conformant. And so for that, I put review. So you have this complete checklist, and then you can go into the worksheets. I'm going to push it up just a little bit. So you can go into the worksheets and then look at the specific success criteria for the given version, conformance level AA, which obviously includes conformance level A. So here we're looking at 2.2. We can see there are 6 additional success criteria. Here we're looking at 2.1. There are 12 additional success criteria. And when I say additional, in addition to the previous version, and then here we have 2.0. So this gives us the foundation. There are 38 success criteria here. And then again, in this last checklist, it combines everything. And then we have an introduction worksheet, which just tells you, really sets up everything, tells you about the 4 different checklists, what's available. You can see each of them in their own worksheet. And then you have the attribution to myself and accessible.org, along with 2 resources. If you're working on an accessibility project, I'm telling you, look into Accessibility Tracker. We have built so much into Accessibility Tracker. We're not stopping here, but it's like everything that you'd want to make an accessibility project seamless, it's in Accessibility Tracker. But this is now freely available. I'll include a link in the description. Go to accessible.org/WCAG. So you'll find my PDF, the PDF checklist and the PDF guide. And you'll also find this Excel spreadsheet format checklist where you can download. There's no email subscription required. This is free and available to you to download. It was one other thing I was going to note. But if you want a resource on the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, look at the WCAG page because it's so extensive. And then if you want to really learn the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines in detail, my guide, the free guide that you can download in PDF format, is really good. But the course takes it to another level because there's a video explaining each success criterion in detail. There are more resources. There are code examples. The course just takes everything to the next level. So if you're really looking to understand the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, then the course, I highly recommend the course. It's just a great way to get started. And of course, we know this is the foundation to not only accessibility, but compliance. So this is going to be knowledge that can really advance you in the marketplace, whether you are looking for a job, whether you are looking to add accessibility and compliance to your offerings. Start with the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. Once you understand the technical standards, it's really going to open up everything for you. You're going to understand a lot more from that. And then my other suggestion, in addition to the WCAG course, when you're getting started, read my book, Digital Accessibility and Compliance. That book will put everything into place. If you're confused about something, if there are terms, you're not sure where everything relates to one another. Of course, we know the accessibility. There are so many accessibility companies that are out there that are purposefully creating confusion where there doesn't need to be. If you want to align with everything, understand what's going on, read my book. It's available on Amazon. It doesn't take that long to read, maybe an hour and 30 minutes. Once you read that, you'll know 95% of this landscape, and then you can help so many other people. Once you understand the fundamentals, which are so important, you understand how everything's connected, it just opens up accessibility and compliance for you. But the WCAG checklist is now available. There are so many, this is so important for projects when they're just getting started out. Start with this checklist. It's now available for free, no subscription required. I'll include a link in the description.